So now I'm here. We are here in the mother's house in one room. And I'm really creeping out. And I think I have reasons enough to creep out. Because I really want to leave that country. This country. And now we stay here at Cynthia's mother's place. And this will be till I go home. My dear friends, hello dear all. And well, we are still in the Philippines, but I got an email from embassy and they told me that they are in contact with immigration, and it looks like they really get my passport there. Well, they found it back, I think. And soon they have more news about how much I need to pay to get out of this country. Well, then they will let me know. So that's it for today. Hello there. This is my temporary new office and sleeping corner. We called immigration, well, Cynthia did, just as they asked us to do today on Tuesday, because for sure they will have an answer. Well, I'm not yet on the list of payments, so now they ask us to call back on Friday. It's really amazing, kind of real banana Republican culture, isn't it? So anyway, I keep you updated. Cynthia is out because today we're gonna eat for dinner. We're gonna start with Domino's pizza. So I'm waiting, and meanwhile I'm taking some movies that you people are watching of us to post it later. The Philippine word later I start to use many times too. Not now, but later. That is anyway how we do it. The whole movie is done. I think it took me less than 1 hour for episode 14. Episode 14, May 25, 26, 27. So, and that goes later online on YouTube, and then you all can watch this one. As you can see, today it still is a rainy day, and for tomorrow they give again rain. And that is the door there where Cynthia will come in soon with Domino's pizza. And from the beautiful hotel to here, this is evolution. I welcome you back in Silang, where I'm waiting on news from immigration. People, do not get jealous. I can give you the addresses from here if you want a real relaxed vacation. Cynthia, how was the rain?
It's just the drizzle, that's okay.
What is this?
Domino's pizza. First time I'm gonna taste that. Aba,
Always shy, everyone here. Yeah, I do. They're all shy. It's unbelievable, people. All those Filipinos are so shy.
dalawang 10, bali 20.
Cynthia
Ilagay mo
is
na muna
talking
sa baso
to
yung
her
mango sa
youngest
taas.
sister.
Doon mo na rin ilagay.
She's there. Do you see her? There she is. Behind the wall.
Tapos, pag 90 ulit yung hindi 90, paano pag hindi? Bumili ka ng sapat lang doon. Pero kung 90 pa rin, sa'yo na yung sukulit.
Cynthia, open that other box. Second home delivery by Cynthia. And again, for the second time, the same pizza.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a foodie day. Talking about a little bit quality with the camera, we'll show you. Hello Cynthia, how are you? Hello all, I went to the airport with the hope I could change my ticket for flying out already tomorrow. I could, but it will cost me $1,400 US. So I keep it anyway on day 8. That is basically day 7 late evening on day 8. So that's only 5 days. Okay, there we go. Okay, dear friends, 2:22 a.m. and I am on the Philippine Airport Diagnostic Laboratory. And 2:22 a.m. I mean, I did the test. And now I'm gonna sit here outside for 12 hours because it's really 12 hours waiting. And okay, see you later. It's gonna be a very long night. And so around then 2 p.m. I will go to the airport. Okay, farewell Philippines, finally. July 10, 2021, not July 8, 2021. 00:20 a.m. And we fly with Qatar Airways to Doha, and from Doha to Madrid, and from Madrid we go to Portugal. It's gonna be a long trip from about 24 hours, and I'm very sleepy because I'm about 40 hours awake. Anyway, I'm so happy to be out of this Philippine country.